Sawasdee krab. Welcome to my dish channel. I'm Jim, and today we will make another famous soup in Thailand. It's called Tom Kha Kai or coconut milk soup. It's very similar to Tom Yum soup. If you know how to make it, it won't be a problem for you. Let's check out what we need first. Start from the first one, lemongrass. Cut the root off a little bit and then cut it around 2 to 2.5 inches long. We need around 4 to 5 pieces. Okay, like this. Don't cut it too small or too fine because we don't eat it. I heard that some people cut it very fine. You know, it's very hard or very annoying when you try to eat it and then spit it out because we don't eat this one. And you use the holder of the knife, just bruise it. Don't kill it, okay? We need only the smell. Yes, do all pieces. And then put it into the bowl. Next one is galangal. You know galangal already. We don't need the stem. Chop it off, and then we need around 5 to 6 slices. Not too thick, not too thin. Don't cut it too small again because we don't eat it. Everything into the bowl. Next one is Kaffir leaf. Fold the leaf back to front like this, and then take the spine out. All right, put all the leaves together and then rip it in half. That's it. Don't rip it too small. Why? We don't need eat it again. All right. Next one is a mushroom. This one we call it straw mushroom, but at home any types of mushroom. You quarter it 4 pieces like this. Okay, dump into the bowl. Next one is chili first. Okay, I put 5 chilies in. Put it on the edge, and then you just, break it. Yes, crack it like this, and then put everything into the bowl. If you don't like it too spicy, just let it. It's up to you. But Tom Kha is not so spicy because you have the coconut milk to cut the flavor. Yes. Now, tomato, cut it half first, and then take the bottom out. Sorry. I need only half, and then you quarter it, cut it into 4 pieces. Yes, and then we have to separate it because this one is cooked very fast. We put it later, like this. Very good. Let me clean out a little bit, Yes. Regular lamb, give it Thai massage. Yeah. Don't kill it, Just to make it soft, make it juicy. Easy for you to squeeze it. Yes. And this is how we cut it. You see the core here? I will draw the triangle around the core like this. So it's easier for me to explain to you. Yes. Okay, like this. I hope you can see it, right? And follow the lines. Cut it 3 times, follow the lines. Yes, to take the core out. We don't need the core, right? If you have the scissors, take it out. I don't have it today. And the bowl and the spoon. Hold the spoon like this, right? Stand it up and then put the lamb on top. Squeeze it. Yes. This is how Thai people squeeze the lamb. We need around 1 tablespoon. Yes. That's it. We finished how to prepare Tom Kha Kai or coconut milk soup with chicken. Now, after this, let's boil them all. Okay, start from water first. I put around 1/3, but you can make it to half, alright? It depends. Put it in. Next one is 1 cup of coconut milk. Yep. And then heat it up. Let it boil. Let it boil. Alright, and then you put everything in. You know, the veggies, right? Put everything in. Yes. And then just wait around half a minute. Let it boil. Oh, smell of the coconut milk. No, so good. Just leave it there. All right, and then you put a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. And 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Yep, and then mix it well. Yes, cool. And then lower down the heat. Put chicken in. Or you can use shrimps or prawns, it's up to you. Remember when you boil any meat, right? Let it cook slowly for 1 minute. Yes, separate it and then just leave it there. Let it cook slowly for 1 minute. Smell of the herbs, you know. Leave it there. And then turn the heat up again, and then you put tomato in. Yes. Now just let it boil. Make it around half a minute again. Alright, let it boil. Yes, and then turn the gas off. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. You have to turn the gas off first before you put it in. Why? Because if you put it while you're cooking, you will lose all the smell. The same as in tom yum. Mix it well, and then try it. Oh, yum, yum. Okay, put into the bowl. Okay, slowly put it in. Yes, put everything in. And then decorate with coriander or cilantro. If you don't like it, just skip it, alright? Tom Kha. Okay, let's try it. I think it's still hot. Be careful. Sour, salty, sweet, and it hits you after. I mean for the spiciness. Yes, one more. Oh, yum, 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 yum. If you like coconut milk, this is your thing. Thank you for what? Oh, sorry. Thank you for watching, and then see you next time. And always wish you were here.